Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David again, and let me show you how to set up your Payoneer two-step verification. Hello everyone, so if you want to set up your two verification or 2SB on Payoneer, you want to log into your account on their website or the mobile app. After that, you want to go to their settings section, go to security and settings, and look for the two-step verification option. After that, tap Setup and choose your preferred method. So it will let you choose either an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or an SMS verification where codes are sent to your phone. So if you pick the app option, simply scan the QR code and then enter the 6-digit code generated, while for SMS, just enter your number and then this code that's sent to you. Pioneer will also seek or ask you to add a backup recovery option like another number or email. So once saved, log out and then sign back in to confirm. It should now ask for a one-time code after your password, keeping your account more secure.